Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to see how we can extract images from PDF. So for that, let me go to browser and here download a sample PDF file with images. Okay, I think this looks good. Let me open this image in a new tab. So actually I need a PDF here. So let me simply open this website and get a sample PDF. And okay, here 10 sample page. Okay, here sample PDF with images. So let me download this. I will close it. Okay, so now this PDF is downloaded and let me quickly open. And here you can see a lot of images are available inside this PDF. So I want to extract all these images. So how I can do all this with using my Power Automate desktop application. Okay, so for that what I will do, I will launch my application. Let me open this and here I can say new, I can create new flow and I can say here something called extract images from PDF and I will simply create my flow. Okay, and now my flow is loading. Okay, so here we have a lot of actions available here, so I will simply come towards my PDF here. So I'm going to leverage this extract images from PDF. So I can simply drag and drop it here. And as soon as I will drag it here, it will simply ask me for my PDF file. I can, instead of hard coding it, I can grab it from my some other flow. But for my testing purpose, I'm going to select it manually from my local browser, the image that I just downloaded. I think I downloaded, this one, image stock. Yeah, let me upload this. And here the important thing is that you need to see this property. You want to extract all, so basically you want to scan the complete PDF. So if I open my PDF here, I get multiple options. So if you see this PDF have 6 images. So whether you want to extract images from all the 6 pages, then you can select this option, or single, you can tell that I want images from a specific page number. Let's call it as 6, 5, something like that. Or you can also specify the ranges as well. So for that you can select the range option. You can enter your from and to page number. But for now I will go with all. And here you can give your image name. And one more important property is that if the image will have multiple names, so it is going to give you names like, for example, let's say I will call the image as basic test. So all the images will be downloaded like basic text, then basic text 1 underscore 1 underscore 2, something like that. And where do I want to save my images? So I can make it, I can redirect to a particular location, but for now I'm going to hard code it. I will create inside my download, I'll create a folder here and I can say that extract images from PDF. I will select my folder, select the folder. Alright, and you can even make it password protected as well, but for now let me save it. I can save and I can run my flow, and let me run my flow. Okay, and it is running, so it have completed its execution. So now if I'll go to my that new folder here, extract images from PDF, so I can get all the images. So this is the first image. So if I open my PDF here, let me go at the top. So this is my first image, and the second one is this natural landscape. I have 1 to 3 images. Okay, so the next 3 images I'll get 1 to 3 here, so you can see then I should get this particular image. 3, 4. Okay, so all the images will be extracted, and even we have, open this again. I think I can do one thing here. Let me maximize this view and have this option of large icons. It's not loading. Alright, somehow this computer doesn't have enough memory. Okay, but we have already seen that how we can grab all the images from PDF using Power Automate Desktop. Thank you for watching this video.